this time I'm going back home because I'm done doing my work. So I'm looking for this kind of delicacy because it's sweet, that has a margarine and sugar coated with it. Going back home, just do my things there because I was so bored. I don't know why I'm doing like this. But anyway, thank you for watching. You seeing me as so funny one in this video because I'm doing a ramp. No. I'm going outside tonight because I feel bored here in our house. And also I'm missing eating fruits like pineapple, mango, like that. So I'm going to in the Ross Market to what it look like there while doing my exercise like walking, jogging. Yeah, that's it. So this is my outfit. Let's check. My outfit is this one, like this. Let me show you. This one is hey, take a kid. Hey. Ano na kung saan ito? O, diba? Pa. Yan. Pa. Ta. Hey! O, diba? Going to Rojas Market. This yacht. Yan. I just put some, polvos, powder, and kile-kile pugoy kay para tirada. Ay! Shit ang koy. Palang, ganahan ako kile-kile yung lipstick. Kile-kile tapos ang baga. Ano siya doy? Basta mo na. Okay, I'm going outside in our house. I'm in the outside in our house. So, yan. So, I'm just taking slowly down, just walking. Don't worry, it's safe here in Davao City. Even if you like walking 2 a.m. in the morning, it's so safe here because there's a lot of securities in the outside area. And also many police. So, it's safe to walk. Doon tayo. So, malapit po. I'm almost near Chalayo, pumalita kayo. Uy. Basta mauna to. Hapit na ko eh. Para makuha video eh. Nako sa kanto. I'm almost in our kanto. Magsakay ko jeep. Andere. Mulat ko jeep. Because I'm going to it's calming my mind right now. It's calming. Basta mo na akong pamilya karon is like calmness. Kaya nakagawa. Yeah, that's it. So, dili ta, maglakaw-lakaw ta. Kaya wala ko may jeep. I need to exercise my feet. Ay, turong tao. Kaso, puno man siya. Yan. Okay lang, okay. It's okay. Ito lang guro ko lapit sa may Jollibee kung sa Jollibee lang guro ko magulat. Kaya dito man muna mga jeep. Okay. Sino ba muna yung bukay? Oh. Pero dili man ko kahulat diri kay sino ko maglakaw-lakaw. Ano siya? Gimatabok ta diri oh. Right turn only. We're going to cross the road this year. This one, I like this part. I want to take like kind of the video here. Just like that. It's like that because it's like what's that? Sure. Uy, shit, akoy. Basta, I find it that it's really good to have taking a picture of there. Kanang dili good traffic. Siguro mga 2 a.m. O, mata pa bang mga tao, ana? O, dili na, no? Tulog na lang sila. So, gamay na lang yun, guro ang maagi, ana. Just for the purpose is like having a good time. Good time just remembering those places that you wanted to take a photo, Oh, malapit na ako dito sa, SM. Here we are in the SM. Pero dili ko matulog dira ha. I'm not going inside in that establishment because I'm going to Rojas. Mag-food trip ko. Gilaay ko. Dagat ko bi. Ang traffic. Dali sa mga just wanted to go there. Cheap. This cheap raret. Yes. Dili. Here. Welcome. It's another. My food trip. Craving na po. This one is mango. I'm done doing my food trip because I'm going home now. Katabi ko si Yuki matulog. Lugarin. Mama.
Sleepy lang po.
Ako siya. Ay. Litaw na.
Good night, everyone.